Hello friends, welcome to Trilok Baba YouTube channel. My name is Mohit Trilok. In this particular video, we are going to learn a beautiful concept in MS Excel, that is text to columns. This is one of the amazing feature Excel is having. So now we'll try to understand what is meant by a text to columns. Text to column is nothing but this is a tool which is used to split the data into multiple columns. For example, you have a data in one column, you want to split the data into two columns. In that case, we will be using the text to columns. Let me show you an example quickly. So we have an example here which is having a full name which is consisting of first name and last name. So what I want is I want to divide the first name and last name. So how we are going to do? If you do it manually, it takes huge time for you to do it. This is a simple data, we can do it in a simple way. In case if you are having a big data, you want to divide the data in a column, you have to divide the first name and second name. So how we are going to divide? So with the help of text to columns, we can divide the data from one column to multiple columns. How? This is how we can divide. So first name and last name. So this is how we can divide the data from one column to another column. Let's go back to our topic. So now we understood that what is meant by text to column. Text to column is nothing but we are going to split the data into multiple columns. Under text to columns, we have two different types. One is delimited and second one is fixed width. In delimited, so how it is going to split the data? It is going to split the data based on special character or a comma, a semicolon, a space between the words. I am emphasizing here between the words. In between the words, if you are having a special character, comma, semicolon or space, in that case we can use delimited option. In case if you want to use a fixed width is nothing but if you want to divide the data as per your scaling, or if you are having a line of data to break it. For example, if you are having like A, B, C, you want to divide the data from B. It means that you have to leave A and B and then you have to divide and then you have to separate the C. So these are the two major types under text to columns. So let's jump to the Excel so that we can understand clearly what is meant by text to columns. We will learn how to perform the text to columns in MS Excel. Under text to columns, we have the first option which is delimited, which means that it will help you, this option will help you to split the data based on special character, a space, a semicolon, a comma or any other special characters if you are having a data. So now we will see with an example. The first example we are going to apply on space. So we have couple of data over here which is human resource, marketing management, financial management, business research, operation research, conditional formatting, stock market and business organization. So what we can observe here, it is basically we are going to perform the space. So what I want is I just want to split the data based on a space between the words. Human resources, there is a space. Marketing management, there is a space between these two words. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split the data. So where do we have this text to columns? The text to columns is available in data tab. Under data tab, there is an option called text to columns. So before we perform the text to columns, the first step in the process is first we have to select the data. Select the data and then click on data tab and then click on text to columns. After clicking on the text columns, can we see the two options over here, delimited and fixed width. As of now, we'll discuss about a delimited. So first select the delimited and then next. After this, so what we are going to do, we are going to split the data based on space. So now I have to select the space option over here. Just mark space option. And now we can see that the data has been divided in the view option. Now we can click on next, finish. Okay, that's it. So we have divided the data. So within within a few seconds we have divided the data. So this is how we have to perform the text to columns. So this is okay, sir. So now I would like to show you, you can place your output into different columns. So how we can do that one? So let me show you that part. So first thing is, in the text to column step, first select the particular column and then go to data tab and text to column, and then select the delimited option and then click on next, and then select space, mark space, and then next. So what I want, where do you want your output? The destination file. I want my output here. Just select here and then give the cell reference. The cell reference, I would like to place my output here, and which is B1, and then finish and click OK. See, so we have the output over here. So there are two steps we can do. We can split the data within the first column to the second column, or you can place your output into different columns. So this is how we have to use the space option under text to columns. The next option we have, which is semicolon. Semicolon also we'll explore. So we can see there is a semicolon. There is a semicolon between these two words. So what I want to do is, so I want to split the data. I want to split the data if the data is having a semicolon. So we have the semicolon in all this data. So first step in text to column is select the particular column and then click on data tab and then click on text to columns. Under text to columns, select the delimited and click next. And then what is that option we have to choose? We have to choose a semicolon. Select semicolon and then click on next and then finish. That's it. Okay. So we have divided the data based on semicolon. So this is how we have to use this text to column option if you want to split the data from one column to another column, if you are having a certain criteria. Now, the next option we have is comma. So we can see over here, yes. So there is a common thing in this data, which is comma. So work, comma and book. So like this, what we want is, we just want to divide the data between these two words. There is a common thing is comma. So what I'm going to do is select the particular data and text to columns and then delimited next. So what is the option we have to choose? We have to choose the comma option. Choose comma option and then click next, finish, then click OK. See, the data has been divided. Data has been divided based on comma. So this is how we have to use the text to columns. Now we will try to explore what is that other option. Other option is nothing but if you are having any different characteristics or different special characteristics in your data, you want to do the split option, you want to do the text to columns for the data. So how we can perform? So let's try to understand with an example. Here we have a couple of email IDs. You can see the email IDs. So what I want is, I want to divide the data. I want to divide the data after the @ @ is a common thing in this data. What I want is, I want to divide the data, the name and then gmail.com. So how we are going to do that one? It is very simple. The first step in text to column, select the data and go to data tab, text to column, delimited, next, and then here uncheck this comma, check others. So what is that special characters we have? @ Here you have to type the @ symbol. Once you type the @ symbol, you can see the view option, you can see the preview option over here, and then click next and then finish. Okay. See, the data has been divided after the @. So this is how we have to use the text to columns. Now we'll try to understand this others option and a text to column with a different example. So it's the same kind of data we have. What do we have is, we have a slash over here. So what I want is, I want to divide this data. I want to divide this data if the data has having a slash key. So what I have to do is, I have to select the particular column and then text to column, and then same delimited. Next, what is that special character we have? Slash, the double slash. Slash. And then click next, finish. Okay. See, the data has been divided if it is having a slash option. So this is how we have to use the text columns in Excel in dividing the data based on your criteria. So as of now, what we have seen? We have seen space, semicolon, comma, and others. So we have got understanding about this option under delimited. Now we'll try to understand what is fixed width under text to columns. So let's go to the fixed width. Fixed width, what it will be telling you. So we are going to split the data based on scaling or based on line or based on a scale. So we are going to break the data based on scaling. So how we are going to do that one? We'll understand with an example. Let's go to an example. So in this example, I have two different kinds of an example here. First, we'll try to understand with one example. So in this example, here we have a data along with trade ID, along with there is a number. There is a number. So what I want to do is, I want to separate the data. Trade ID should be separate and the number should be separate. So how we are going to do it? If you do it manually, it takes huge time for you to perform this activity. So what if you're having a tool which can do it within a seconds? So how we can do that? How we can split? Trade ID should be separate and the number should be separate. Very simple. Select the data, go to the text to column. Now we are going to choose the fixed width. Choose the fixed width and then click next. Once you click on next, here you get a scaling option here. So here you have to give your scale. So what is my scaling here? I want to divide the data after trade ID. After trade ID, I want to separate the trade ID and number. So I'll give a scaling over here after D. After D, I have given a scaling over here and then click on next and then finish. Click OK. See, the data has been divided based on scaling. Same kind of an example I have over here. So we are going to divide in the same way by using the scaling option, which means under fixed width, we are going to use the scaling option. Here also same kind of an example, date, along with that we have a date format. So what I want is date should be separate and the actual date format should be separate. So how we are going to do that? Simple. Select the particular column, click on text to columns and then select fixed width and then click on next. After click on next, you get a scaling option over here. So what you have to do is you have to divide the data after date, D-A-T-E. After E, I would like to divide this data. So done. I'm done with given scaling and then click on next and then finish. Okay, see? So we have divided the data. So this is how we will be using the text to columns option in MS Excel. Now, we got to know that, so there are two options. One is a delimited and next one is a fixed width. Under delimited, we have four options: space, semicolon, comma, and others. Under fixed length, under fixed width, we have one option which is scaling. Based on scaling also, you can divide the data, or based on space, semicolon, comma, and others also you can divide the data. So this is what actually the text to columns in MS Excel. So I trust that you have understood about this concept. If you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification on latest videos. Thank you so much for watching my video, and we will meet once again in next video. And signing off, Trilok Baba.